It's Oktoberfest and we've got a beer cheese dip with some pretzels. Let's go and get right into it. What's more Oktoberfest than beer cheese dip? That's what we're doing today. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so we got the Kamado Joe up to 275, almost 300 degrees. Get yourself a 12-inch cast iron skillet, and you could even do a foil pan. That is no problem. I am so pumped. So I've got my beer stein. This has got my dad's initials. He used to go to Germany a lot, and I've got a few of these. He's since passed, but it's a fun memory. And so we're gonna be using some Sam Adams Oktoberfest beer in this beer cheese. It's just gonna be delightful. This might be the most straightforward recipe, an easy recipe that you've ever done in your entire life. You're just gonna be sticking blocks of cheese in here. And if we want, we can even cube these up. And so I'm gonna put the, hey, watch your hands, watch the hands now. Here's the deal. So you're gonna have the ingredients in the description, maybe on the screen. So, but essentially these are 8-ounce blocks. So we've got some, you don't have to use mozzarella cheese, but you can use mozzarella cheese. We got some hard cheddar here. We've got some, sharp cheddar, Velveeta. We've got a German cheese here, a mild cheddar. We're gonna top it off with some cream cheese. Then we're gonna add a few other ingredients as we go. So what we're gonna do is just cut some of these cheese blocks open here.
Scott, did you just cut the cheese?
I think I may. My girls tell me I cut the cheese all the time. Dude, the other day, we were having a bunch of furniture delivered and a bunch of workers were coming in and out, and without even thinking about it, I just cut the cheese as the guys walked by, and I was just like, I didn't do it. A little, in Oklahoma, we call that crop dusting.
Yep.
So anyways, you didn't come here for that on the channel, did you?
Detour.
Huh?
Detour.
So you can cube these up if you'd like, and that's gonna definitely make the melting portion a lot quicker. So I'm gonna take you off camera here as we finish this up. You're gonna cube all this up, and I'll show you the next step after that. Yeah, so earlier I think I had some mozzarella cheese in there. I just grabbed a bunch of cheese blocks without even looking. You don't need mozzarella cheese for this recipe unless you just want to add that flavor profile. But what's cool about this is you make it your own, and that's all there's to it. So last thing is Velveeta block and this cream cheese. It's just gonna be to die for. Oh, my neighbors are building a pool, but we've got pool envy, and we've already built a friendship. I think this is gonna be a good thing. So don't worry about what's happened back here. We got some cheese dip going here. So the last part of this, we've cubed everything up, we got on top. Then we're gonna just add a little bit of that Dijon mustard, because you know what, it's Oktoberfest, and you need just a little bit of that mustard. A little W sauce here, and this is about a teaspoon or so. Give it that bold flavor. I love using Dust Bowl, my garlic butter. This is going to give it that rich flavor, buttery flavor as well. And then we're gonna top it off with some Oktoberfest to fill this up. If you wanna add milk, you can. That's up to you. Let's see if my old Call Days allows me to open this up. Boom. Yeah, don't do that at home, kids. All right, so we fill this up. It is looking awesome. Boom. It's about a cup worth of goodness. Now we've got the Kamado Joe already at 275, maybe 300 degrees. We're gonna let this smoke for about 35 to 45 minutes and do a little stir. And then after that, it's just another 20 minutes. Top it off with some chives and some pretzel dips. It's gonna be delicious. Stay tuned. We're at the 35 mark on this beer cheese Oktoberfest dip. It's gonna look like a brain mixture. It's gonna look weird at this stage, but that's normal. So we're just going to do a little stir the best we can. It's okay if it goes a little overflow. We're just gonna let it, use the word congeal. Here we are. We'll see you back when it's another 25 minutes where we should be cheese pool ready for those pretzels. It's gonna be delicious. All right, friends, so this has pretty much smoked for about 45 minutes. We stirred it, and then we did another 30 to 35 minutes and did a little stir again. And my friends, we have a dip here. Let's see how we did. I'm going in for another, baby.
What do you think?
Oh my God. I want more. You gotta get in here.
All right.
Wow.
Is it good?
The beer, subtle flavor in the background. All the cheesy,
Whoa.
the blend of all the cheeses.
It's so rich.
It's super rich. Buttery,
Buttery.
cheesy, that subtleness of the wheat beer.
Yeah, I'm surprised at how much that
Wow.
Oktoberfest cuts through.
Yeah.
But it's not overpowering, but gives it that really like fall
Yeah.
warm.
Oh, dude, you're right. It's like a fall flavor in my mouth right now. All right, guys, let us know in the comments what you loved about this recipe, what other additions you might make. Be sure to check out our other dips on the channel. And from my backyard to yours, let's hate more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.